So Mary's been having to fill up her tire lately. She's at a slow leak, so I told her to look for a nail or a screw or something. And one of the guys that was at one of the farms she was working at spotted it, and he marked it with chalk. My guess is it's a screw. Good guess, huh? Did you want a cookie because Daddy's home? Is that what you wanted? He wants a cookie. Hi, Tobes. How are you, bud? How are you? How are you?
I think I'll get the Alfredo noodles going in the grill.
There you go, fellas. Now you're dealt with. All right, let's get some soapy water here.
Is it soapy enough?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
We're gonna.
Will you pour it on?
Not just yet, nope. Because we're gonna actually use that. We're gonna use that on here.
Is that a rock?
Yeah, that's a rock.
Okay.
So we gotta figure out which one of these kits I want to use. All right, you ready to take your the screw out?
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead.
You gonna make me do it?
Yes, I am.
Jeez. Which just
Go ahead. It's already being reversed. Come on there, big fella.
okay. I'm trying. I don't know what to do.
Push it out. Slow. Let it back up and out.
Little fucker.
Watch your language. This is YouTube. Doesn't take much.
Nope.
It's probably some of it's still in the hole because I didn't hear it bleeding right out either. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get. I think we're gonna use
The black
the
ones?
stuff out of this
Okay.
kit here.
Want me to open it up?
Yep. Here, we'll open it up.
Okay.
So one of those things
Mm-hmm.
is going to go right in the middle of this tool.
Maybe. Wow. You're making me do this?
I'm saying,
Why?
you're the one that got the flat.
It's not a flat, it's a leak.
Well, it's going to be a flat. We don't get this patch back in there. Plug really.
It's not easy to. Okay.
How's that thing feel?
Good.
All right. Yeah, get in there, little devil. So I want to get this thing about halfway. There we go. All right. We're going to bring this. We're going to bring our soap or water. This I'm probably going to have to do because I'm not sure if you're going to be able to get this thing in there or not. That's it. Oops.
So what are you doing?
So
Make it
right
a-
now I gotta remount that hole
So
that's
you
in
can put
there.
the plug in?
Yep, because otherwise that stuff won't fit. Wowzers. Yeah, he definitely wouldn't have been able to do this. This is all I'm using, a T-handle one. Wow. Yeah, this definitely would not have
No.
been something super easy for you to do. Plus my shoulders are killing me too. So basically you just want to ream this thing out and then it should be, so it's going to
I
be,
can hear the air.
oh yeah, it's going to blow a lot of air out. So this thing's not going to want to go right in. So I'm going to end up taking this
Putting it in the soapy water
soapy water,
so it'll slide in.
hopefully. If not, this is going to really suck. Okay. Come on, get in there. Like to get it in farther. Like to get it so it's only got like about a half an inch.
Yep.
But wish I had the other tool. Come on, you get in there. Yeah, the T-handle ones are a lot easier.
Yep. Making it bigger.
Yeah, I'm just making sure it's reamed out completely. I'll toss a little bit of soap on there even. Oh, it's probably just gonna blow right out. Yep. Soap this thing up again.
I can just get the thing of soap and you can...
Nah, it won't matter. It won't matter. The main thing is I just don't have the...
right tool.
Nope, I just don't have the strength to push it in. Add my hand, I think. Give it another shot here. Come on, get in there.
Okay. Finally got it in. Good God. Why is everything so hard?
Hopefully it doesn't come back out with the tool. Whew.
Yep.
Holy
There it
cow.
is. There's the plug.
Alright, now I'm going to go get a set of CrossFit legs. Cut that thing off.
That's awesome. Yeah, my video skills are awful.
See if we're bleeding. Which I hope not after all this.
No bubbles.
Good.
Yay.
That was way more effort than it needed to be.
Yep.
All right. And it is fixed. This was a much heavier duty tire than the ones on my trucks. It was really hard to push that plug in. So these are the handles I'm used to having with both tools. So for the reamer and for the push tool. And what we ended up with is this was in the new kit because the last T-handle got broke. Holy cow! The point of contact is so small on this, it's super painful. So tire repair kit, I do not recommend you